Okay, now that I've UV mapped my square here, I'm going to push it off to the side. Let's go ahead and get this guy right here. And I'm going to UV map it. So I'm going to start again with the planar y-axis. And I knew it was y because I already did that recently. Alright, now just like another sheet of paper, I'm going to cut this edge, this edge, this edge, and each of these little guys right here. So basically 3 sides on the top and all 4 of the corners up and down. And that should do it. I'm going to cut it. And just to check here, remember you have all 3 of these sides, all 4 of the vertical lines. Ooh, it does those too. I gotta undo that. Ooh, is it too late because I already cut it? Shoot. Okay, let's try again. Undo, undo, undo. I'm just holding down shift right here. Didn't get any of the bottom, did it? No. Okay. Looks good. Yes, yes. I forgot this line. And yes. Okay, cut it. Oops. And then let's try just unfold. Perfect. You know what? It's too long. I need to stack this, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut this edge completely. Cut it, and then we got 2 shells. Let's go ahead and lay out these guys. Okay, I need to straighten them. So let's do one. Oops, don't do that. Straighten, straighten. Shift right click. Straighten UVs. I like that option. That's nice. And then lay it out. Cool. That's easy to model. Let's check all the edges. Look good, look good, look good. Okay. I think we have ourselves a nice object here to model. I mean to texture. So I'll go ahead and export this image. UV snapshot. We're in the Sci-Fi floor. That's good, but we're going to call this one T Sci-Fi ceiling UV. 4096 Targa documents apply and close. Let's go ahead and export this object file. Export selection, and we're going to do that as static mesh ceiling. FBX smoothing groups checked. Export. Make sure FBX is here. Done. Oh, that was a bad idea. Forgot to put it in the center of my grid. So let's try again. Let's take the snaps here. I mean the pivot, and let's set it on our. Hold down D. Set it on one of those corners. I missed. Okay. Now I'm going to turn my grid snaps on, everything else off. Push it right to the grid. Let's see what happens. Perfect. It's good to go. So let's do it. Now I'm just going to export it again. Override the ceiling here. And we're good to go.